Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to download the original Windows 10 version from the official website using 3 different methods. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. First, we'll go to Google and search for Download Windows 10. We will go to the first link. The first method is through the Media Creation tool. Now we scroll down. We will download the tool by clicking on Download Now. We will double-click on the tool. Here I will click Accept to agree to the license terms. Here I will choose Create Installation Media. If we want to modify the language and architecture selection, we uncheck this box. You can download Windows 10 in any language you like. All languages are available here. Here in addition there is only one option. Here you can choose to download Windows 10 with a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture, or both. I'll leave it on 64-bit. Then I will click on Next. There are 2 options here. The first is to download Windows 10 and burn it directly onto a flash drive. In this case, a flash drive with a capacity of at least 8 GB must be connected to the computer. The second option is to download an ISO image of Windows 10 and save it to your computer. And that's what I'm going to do. Here I will choose to save Windows in the Downloads folder. Here you can change the file name or leave it as is. Then I will press Save. Windows 10 download will begin now. Now we will go to the second method for downloading Windows 10. We will return to the Microsoft website again. Then we right-click here. From the menu we select Inspect. From this side menu, we click on this option. Then we reload the Microsoft website. Then we close the side menu. We can now download an ISO image of Windows 10. Then click here and select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. Then we press Confirm. Here we will choose the Windows language. You can download Windows 10 in any language you like. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then we press Confirm. Here I will choose to download Windows 10 with a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. I will choose to download Windows 10 with 64-bit architecture. In the future, if you are unable to download Windows 10 from the official website, now we will go to the third method for downloading Windows 10. I will show you a website where you can download Windows 10. We will open a new tab and type Windows 10 in the search bar. We will go to the first link. As you can see here, you can download any version of Windows, including Windows 10. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.